What's up, you guys? This is the parking lot area of the Colored Rocks, Las Vegas, Nevada, between Nevada and California. Yeah, we were just driving by on our way back from California over to Las Vegas, and we seen the Colored Rocks on the side. We were like, whoa, so this is where it is. So we decided to add an extra route to the GPS, and now we're showing you guys this video. So yep, enjoy the video. I'm gonna go take a look at the Colored Rocks. Just let you guys take a look as well. Dang, the closer we get over there, the bigger they look. Nice, super tall. Very cool. I wonder how they made these. Some people made their own as well. Pretty cool. Very nice. This one's like super silvery looking. Very cool. Great place to visit, take selfies, take a lot of cool pictures. Crazy. Let's walk through it. So nice. These are really neat too. A lot of people tried to build their own as well. Even up to the tiniest little piece. It's very cool. But yep, this is a really nice place to visit if you want to take some cool pictures with these rocks. No tour guides needed. No tour guides needed. Parking, no, you don't have to pay for parking. You just pull up, park your car, and walk over. It's very nice. So yep, time to head back. Time to take some pictures first and then head back. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like, comment, subscribe for more. And we're gonna continue to make more videos for you guys. Thank you, thank you. See you guys in the next one. Peace. What's up, you guys? I just seen these signs too on the way back. I wanted to show you guys real quick. It's called the Ugo Rondinant 7 Magic Mountains. And then one more over here. It says this is free to people. Please respect artwork. Please do not vandalize. Nice. Cool. Back to the car. See you guys in the next video. Peace.